Hi and good morning, everyone. So, this is especially for anyone who has been a director in a play or like probably a film or like a short drama or anything of that sort. You are a director, or if you have ever been in that position, I think you will definitely relate to this because I recently came across this one video which explained it in clear words and which showed the role of a director like in the most truest form, I would say, because I used to like struggle to explain what exactly it is to be like a director, or what exactly or how exactly a director's role comes into the play, right? Usually the understanding goes as such, and even I had like a very similar understanding only, that yeah, the creative process is that of a director's, and he or she is gonna like say, yeah, this is this is that, and they really don't need that much of an acting experience, or the director doesn't necessarily have to be a good actor. But of lately, what I have understood, and when in retrospect I think about it, a director should also be a good actor. Not necessarily that they should be as good as like a really good actor in their team, but a director should have basic skills of acting. Director is not just telling you how to do the things, but he or she is showing you how to do it. So in this video which I saw, it's Abhishan Jeevan's video actually. Him being a director, the video is about that, and I was so happy to see it because it was like the perfect explanation to, it was like a perfect visual to show you how invasive a director gets into the process and how important that is as well. You can have great actors in your team, right? You can have, like, whether it's a play or a film, you can have great actors with with so many years of experience. But um, in the end, it is a director's film. It is that particular person's creative process which is going on. And he or she should be so clear enough to let the actors know, see, this is the kind of emotion I want. And this is how I want the portrayal to be, not just the emotion, because you are an actor and you have a lot of variations that you can show that maybe I can pick. But at times, there are instances where the directors have to act it out and show, like, this is how I'm sort of expecting it. Like, fact that all these experienced actors, okay, the so-called best actors or best actresses, right, they do listen to the director and they are compliant to it. That's the beauty in it. If you are a good actor, then you will comply to the director's needs because you know you are skilled enough to portray it however it is asked of you to do so, and you won't take that up as like an egoistic factor or anything. And the fact that the director also acts it out, and sometimes he'll be better than the actor sometimes, is really good because it comes from a lot of understanding. Basic acting skills is needed. So when anyone who has that sort of an understanding, whether it's an actor or a director, initially it comes probably from the director to the actor because the actor is also going to do a lot of research on that character and then get to that stage. But the director already gets to that stage because the director is aware of all these things first. That's the only difference. You have to find a very fine line between not dictating the actor what to do or how to act it out. You have to give the creative freedom for the actor as well. And at the same time, you explain it in such a way that it opens doors for them, okay, and it opens more windows for understanding the character better and giving them a 3D, three like a three dimensions thing and not becoming like a flat character, right? So yeah, the role and power of a director is quite awesome. So if you have ever been a director, film or anything else as well, I think you should know the power you had in your hand, and I think you should probably relive that experience once again in your head and realize you actually had a lot in your hands, and you could do a lot too. So if you feel like ever you didn't know so much earlier and you didn't use it exactly, just know that you can. Thank you.